Welcome to Dr. Fred Markets. This is not financial advice. While most people ignore what's happening in the markets, a few choose to pay attention. And that difference, that simple choice to stay informed, changes everything. You're one of them. Let's get into it.
In the world of high-stakes finance, a shift at Apple and a powerful bond between tech giants are reshaping tomorrow. But how? Did you know that Apple's current CEO reshuffling involves an intriguing figure, John Ternus, who has quietly but significantly shaped a legion of products over the years? Often lurking in the shadows, Ternus steered the hardware engineering unit, masterminding innovations that made Apple a behemoth. Given these accomplishments, what kind of revolutionary vision might he bring to Apple's future? Simultaneously, the financial orchestration behind new macroeconomic decisions will have ripple effects across industries. With Ternus at the helm, can Apple maintain its powerhouse status amid increasing AI integration and a tech battle over computing supremacy? Speaking of tech supremacy, how about the bold move by Amazon and Anthropic, tightening their partnership with a staggering $5 billion deal? It promises not just financial returns, but leverage in artificial intelligence advancement, setting new standards that smaller competitors might find quite challenging to match. Just how well do you know the interconnectedness of crypto developments with major corporate shifts? The latest movements in the stock markets, such as today's dip in Apple's stock price to $266.07, down by 2.52%, reflect investor apprehensions with strategic leadership changes. But it's not just stocks that matter. Let's dive deeper into the innovation puzzle of AI and how it interfaces with the uncertain yet promising world of cryptocurrencies. What kind of synergy can these tech dimensions create when major players like Amazon make assertive moves? Yesterday, the Dow Jones and S&P 500 reported modest declines, while Nasdaq's streak was abruptly halted. Such abrupt changes invariably trigger a flow of capital towards more volatile, speculative markets like cryptocurrencies. In this space, where does AI fit in? Consider AI's predictive capabilities, the algorithmic trading methods that continue to push market boundaries. Are these shifts merely surface-level rumblings, or do they signpost a deeper transformation led by next-gen technology? Financially speaking, Eli Lilly's acquisition of Colonia Therapeutics for $3.25 billion not only reflects traditional healthcare innovation, but also signals AI's rising influence in a range of sectors. This engagement is emblematic of how burgeoning technologies are orchestrating next-level solutions in sectors as diverse as pharmaceuticals and technology. The unseen advantage, perhaps, remains in integrative competence, how AI complements drug development cycles or expands biotechnical frontiers. Here's an element for your consideration. Jerome Powell's successor, Kevin Warsh, aims to underscore the independence of the Federal Reserve, especially with interest rate regulations. Amidst this geopolitical chess game, with international pressures including the looming Iran ceasefire decision, how crucial is an independent Fed? Such global frameworks directly affect cryptocurrency market perceptions and rate stability. Do predictions foretell a robust future with AI-backed solutions driving crypto pricing strategies and risk evaluations? Here's a ponderous question. How will AI shape the future regulatory framework around both cryptocurrencies and monetary policies? The synergies and tensions between these emerging technologies might hint at innovative financial solutions or anticipate more systemic risks. As you chew on these provocative questions, consider how Amazon and Anthropic are poised to steer transformative frameworks with their recent $5 billion investment-focused computing deal. It's not just about competing in a crowded market. It's about creating entirely new paradigms for AI, for crypto, for technological integration at a massive scale. As this alliance strengthens, what new products or advancements might emerge from their synergy? Are we on the cusp of an era where AI-driven analytics redefine crypto trading strategies? Now let's add some meat to our understanding. First, consider AI. Artificial intelligence is about creating machines that simulate human intelligence processes like learning, reasoning, and self-correction. It's not just a buzzword, but a versatile tool refining processes in almost every industry, cryptocurrencies included.
Does what you just heard make you want to dig deeper? Good, because that curiosity is exactly what brought you here, and the second part is going to take it further. Let's go.
By analyzing vast datasets, AI can predict market trends with an accuracy traditional methods can't compete with. Similarly, let's touch on cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies using cryptography for security. This decentralizes control from central banks, bringing fresh challenges and benefits alike. Remember, as finances pivot more heavily onto tech narratives and AI developments, understanding the domino effect on digital currencies becomes critical. With heightened market volatility today, do investors seek refuge in crypto, or does this heighten sector caution? Will we see a blossoming or a withering as traditional finance meets futuristic ambitions? Hold static on this thought. The Iran ceasefire looming deadline impacts far more than commodity pricing. It resonates across global trade, sanctions, and currency trustworthiness. As traditional and digital economies intermingle, how can AI help negotiate these international uncertainties, ensuring crypto remains a viable, potentially attractive option? Moving forward, Amazon doubling down on its AI and computing capabilities through Anthropic isn't just about tech power concentration. It signals a broader vision for crypto integration, with AI providing the predictive analytics to forecast and mitigate market instability. This isn't just planning, it's strategy redefining entire ecosystems. Here's where we connect the dots. As Apple undergoes leadership changes with John Ternus, and as organizations like Amazon evolve technological tiers, there's an undercurrent that consolidates computing power and AI enhancement. Through it, these shifts offer lessons for crypto stakeholders, a lesson in agility, adaptability, and anticipating tech's transformative edge. What digital assets will see emerging opportunities from this tech cocktail? As always, the market is restless, fluctuating day by day. As we keenly observe and engage with these fast-revolving themes, it's pertinent to reflect: what innovations will this alignment of titans with AI nurture? Which cryptocurrency will see a blossoming from these alliances? Let's wrap up this analysis with 3 critical insights. First, tech leadership shifts, as seen with Apple and Amazon, signpost future trends, not just within these giants, but for tech domains at large. Second, AI is not a standalone noise, but a critical enabler, weaving through financial and technological innovations, driving crypto growth and adaptation. Finally, with geopolitical stresses ever present, such as the Iran ceasefire process, understanding and leveraging AI for predictive and strategic foresight ensures investors navigate with understanding, not just instinct. Call to action: stay adventurous in your financial inquiries and curious about the potential of emerging technologies. For more nuanced insights into financial and tech evolutions, subscribe and hit the notification bell for our latest breakdowns. Dive deeper into the symbiotic dance of AI and crypto, a confluence that promises to redefine horizons beyond what we currently deem possible. Imagine a world where technology not only predicts market trends, but actively reshapes the landscape. That's the trajectory we're on. And it's not just about predictive analytics. It's about proactive economic strategies driven by intelligent algorithms capable of learning and adapting faster than ever before. We are at the forefront of a digital revolution where AI augments human decision-making processes, making them more efficient and significantly more informed. This technological synergy empowers investors to adapt to market changes swiftly, optimizing their portfolios with precision. But remember, while AI offers tools that can automate and predict, the human element remains irreplaceable. Embrace these technologies as enhancements to your insights, combining data-driven strategies with your own intuitive judgments. Looking ahead, new developments will undoubtedly surface, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these advancements, providing you with the tools necessary to thrive in today's fast-paced digital economy. This is not financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and check the links in the first comment below.
That's it for today on Dr. Fred Markets. I hope this gave you clarity and a new perspective. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you found this useful, subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel grow. Find me on the blog at drfredmarkets.com and join the newsletter via the link in bio. I'm Dr. Fred Markets. See you in the next one.